Another day, another shocking crime from Maharashtra, and this time it's a journalist's son who has fallen victim. A young life brutally ended in the heart of Beed city. This isn't just another crime report, this is a story that has shaken the entire state. Hi, this is Khatija and you're watching Lokmat Times. In today's video, we are talking about the shocking murder of Yash Devendra Dhaka, the 22-year-old son of local journalist Devendra Singh Dhaka. I'll explain exactly what happened, how the incident unfolded, what the police have done, how the city has reacted, and why this tragedy raises serious questions about safety in Beed. But before we move ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Now let's start with the details. 2 days ago, Yash Dhaka went to a birthday party with his friends. During the gathering, an argument broke out, and tragically, this argument turned fatal. Yash was stabbed with a sharp weapon, and the attack was so brutal that he died on the spot. The shocking video of this incident has gone viral. Now pause for a moment and imagine the fear and shock. This was in some deserted street. It happened in Mani Complex, a busy area of Beed city. A young man in the prime of his life killed in broad daylight during what should have been a simple celebration with friends. If something this brutal can happen in such a public place, it raises serious concerns about safety in the city. Police acted quickly after the incident. Within half an hour, the accused was arrested and a case was registered at Beed police station. Investigations are ongoing to uncover the motive behind this brutal murder. Was it purely the result of the argument, or was there something deeper that escalated the violence? But beyond the details of the crime, this incident highlights a larger concern. Beed has seen a series of violent events recently, and residents are openly questioning the state of law and order. If a young man can be attacked in broad daylight in a crowded area, what does that say about the safety of ordinary citizens? For the people of Beed, this tragedy is more than news. It is a mirror reflecting their fears. Parents, friends, and neighbors are asking themselves the same question: are our streets safe? And for Yash's family, it's a personal nightmare. A young life gone in an instant, leaving heartbreak that is impossible to describe in words. So what do you think about safety in Beed? Are you from there? Did you hear about this crime directly, or does learning about it make you rethink how safe our communities really are? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and for more updates, do like, share and subscribe to the Lokmat Times.